The golden allure cooking oil and its transformation. Cooking oil, a kitchen staple, transforms raw ingredients into culinary delights. From crispy fries to savory stir-fries, its versatility is undeniable. We often reuse oil to save money and reduce waste, a seemingly practical approach. However, this practice hides a dark side, a danger to our health and the environment. The smoke signals unveiling the dangers of reheated oil. When heated repeatedly, cooking oil undergoes chemical changes. Its golden hue darkens and it emits a telltale acrid odor. These are not signs of improved flavor, but warnings of harmful compounds forming. These compounds, often ignored, pose serious health risks. A toxic stew. Aldehydes and their health impacts. One group of these compounds is aldehydes, known carcinogens. Aldehydes form when oil breaks down under high heat and prolonged use. Inhaling their fumes or ingesting them through food can damage our bodies. The risks are not theoretical. Studies link aldehydes to various cancers. The domino effect. From cells to chronic diseases, aldehydes damage our cells, disrupting their normal function. This damage accumulates over time, increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Heart disease, neurodegenerative disorders, and even infertility are linked to aldehydes. Reheating oil might seem harmless, but it's a slow poison we unknowingly consume. Section 5. Beyond the pan-environmental costs of reusing oil. The dangers of reheated oil extend beyond our health, impacting the environment. Disposing of used oil improperly contaminates soil and water sources. Its disposal also poses challenges, often ending up in landfills. Choosing fresh oil minimizes these risks, contributing to a healthier planet. Section 6. The penny-wise and the unhealthy, the false economy of reheating. The argument for reheating oil often revolves around saving money. While this seems logical in the short term, it's a false economy. The long-term health costs far outweigh any perceived savings. Investing in fresh oil is an investment in our well-being. Section 7. A fresh start. The benefits of using fresh cooking oil. Fresh oil not only reduces health risks, but also enhances the flavor of our food. It retains its natural antioxidants, providing some health benefits. The clean, neutral taste of fresh oil allows ingredients to shine. Choosing fresh oil elevates our culinary experience and safeguards our health. Section 8. Taste the difference. Flavor and quality in every drop. Imagine biting into a crispy samosa, its golden shell light and flavorful. The crunch resonates in your mouth, releasing a burst of spices and aromas that dance on your taste buds. Each bite is a symphony of textures and flavors, a perfect balance of crispiness and tenderness. The experience is nothing short of delightful, leaving you craving for more. Now imagine that same samosa, heavy with the taste of old reheated oil. The once crispy shell is now soggy and unappetizing, the flavors muted and overshadowed by the unpleasant taste of stale oil. The joy of eating is replaced by a sense of disappointment, a stark reminder of how crucial fresh oil is in cooking. The difference is stark, a testament to the impact of fresh oil on flavor. Fresh oil not only enhances the taste, but also preserves the integrity of the ingredients, allowing each component to shine. The vibrant colors, the enticing aromas, and the rich flavors all come together to create a dish that is truly exceptional. By using fresh oil, we unlock the full potential of our ingredients. The freshness of the oil acts as a catalyst, bringing out the best in every ingredient. The vegetables retain their crunch, the spices release their full aroma, and the overall dish is elevated to a new level of culinary excellence. Fresh oil is not just an ingredient, it is the key to creating dishes that are memorable and satisfying. It is the secret behind the flavor and quality in every drop. Section 9. Towards a healthier tomorrow, making informed choices. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the small decisions that can significantly impact our health and well-being. However, by taking a moment to educate ourselves and our families, we can make choices that lead to a healthier and happier life. We must be mindful of the hidden dangers lurking in our kitchens. One such danger is the use of reheated oil, which can release harmful compounds that pose serious health risks. It's not just about the oil we use, but how we use it that matters. Educating ourselves and our families about the risks of reheated oil is crucial. By understanding the science behind these risks, we can make better decisions in our daily cooking routines. This knowledge empowers us to protect our loved ones and ensure that the food we prepare is both delicious and nutritious. Simple changes, like using fresh oil, can have profound impacts on our health. Fresh oil not only enhances the flavor of our meals, but also reduces the intake of harmful substances. Additionally, incorporating a variety of healthy ingredients such as fresh vegetables and lean proteins can further boost the nutritional value of our meals. Let's prioritize our well-being and make informed choices for a healthier tomorrow. By being mindful of the ingredients we use and the cooking methods we employ, we can create a positive ripple effect that extends beyond our kitchens. Together, we can build a future where health and happiness are at the forefront of our daily lives. Section 10, Small Changes, Big Impact, a Call for Awareness. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the small choices we make every day, but these choices, especially those related to our food and cooking habits, can have a profound impact on our health and the environment. This isn't about adding another rule to cooking, but about making conscious choices. It's about understanding where our food comes from, how it's prepared, and the effects it has on our bodies and our planet. By opting for fresh, locally sourced ingredients, we not only support our local farmers, but also reduce our carbon footprint. Sharing this knowledge with friends and family can create a ripple effect. Imagine the impact if each of us took a moment to educate our loved ones about the benefits of sustainable cooking. From choosing organic produce to reducing food waste, these small steps can lead to significant changes in our communities. Together, we can promote healthier and more sustainable cooking practices. Community initiatives like group cooking classes and farmers' markets play a crucial role in this movement. They provide a platform for people to learn, share, and grow together. Gardening, too, can be a wonderful way to reconnect with nature and understand the origins of our food. Let's choose fresh oil, not for fear, but for the love of good health and good food. Fresh oil, free from harmful additives, can enhance the flavor of our dishes and contribute to our overall well-being. By making these mindful choices, we can enjoy delicious meals that nourish our bodies and protect our planet. So let's come together, spread awareness, and make a positive impact one meal at a time. For more interesting facts and tips on sustainable living, subscribe to the eGreen channel. Together we can make a difference, one step at a time.